is 3 a.m. in the morning, and I'm about to take my gravel bike to the Laguna Loop, which is 180 kilometers around the Philippines. Here's my bike. Gonna make me a quick coffee, and then it's off we go. Quiet before the storm. Hope the weather's okay.
And just like that, we're off, my friends. We're 30K in and it decided to rain, so I'll put on the rain jackets. Hopefully it doesn't rain for long. We gotta be careful, we're actually going downhill now. In this rain, I'll be off to sea, but it's raining. I'm just gonna trek on through. We are 40K in. We've been riding in the rain for the last 30-40 minutes. But we stopped at a gas station. There's like a few other bikes here. It's a cool little spot on the side of the road where we can get some food and refuel and get dry because we're soaked. I'm even with a raincoat. I'm soaked. My feet are soaked. Anyways, it is what it is. It's part of the process, and I love it. I'm actually having a good time. It's cold, it's wet, and it ain't letting up. So it's time to get back out here in these streets and deal with the rain and deal with this climb that's coming up. It ain't an easy one. Keep you posted. We did 50K straight in the city, then mountain climb. Then when we get down this mountain climb, we got another 100K of straight land. This mountain climb will make a man out of you. We're only halfway, and you can see it ain't easy. But fortunately, I'm built different. We made it to the top of Balila, I think it's called. anyways, made to the top of the climb. Now we're basically on our way down, but you know, we're waiting for Bernie, which seems to be the theme of this ride. There's Poch right over there. And yeah, man, this has been an incredible ride. I mean, we've had to deal with some real adversity with the rain and just kind of going slow, and also it raining and it still being dark outside and low visibility and going through small hills and stuff like that. So we just took it slow. We're about a little over 60K into this ride. It's downhill from here and then flat road for another 100K, so should be all right. Of course, the sun wants to come out on this long flat road and just burn us up. We got like 76 kilometers in, finished the mountain climb, and now it's just a long flat road for a long time. And my ass is on fire, but my legs feel strong. My lungs feel strong. I did good nutrition on the bike. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, just a quick update. We are 86K in, going kind of slow, but it's all good. We'll get there when we get there. But my boy Pudge had a flat, so now we're here at a gas station. Check it out. He is fixing his bike. It's part of what happens out here on the streets. Sometimes you can't help it, man. Just end up with a flat. I mean, I think every ride that we've done together, one of us has ended up with a flat. We've been stuck on the side of the road changing our tire. This is how it goes. Which means more time to rest. All right.
Itinitong ilaw, walang iba, kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling magkakakulay ang Pasko.
Hey.
Salamat sa
Hey, thank you, bro.
liwanag mo,
Thank you, bro.
muling magkakakulay.
Look at this shit. 100 miles out in the middle of nowhere. Beautiful. Riding all day. Still ain't done. Got like 60K more to go. It's 4:40. I woke up this morning and started riding at 3:30 in the morning. It's 4:40 now, so I've been riding 13 hours, some change. Yeah. Body feels good though. Mind feels good. That's what it was about. Get your mind right, body will follow. 60K more. That ain't shit. So it was my turn to get a flat. So I'm here at this bike shop on the side of the street here. Fortunately, I have a spare. So he's just gonna change my tire for me. Sitting at a gas station, getting my last bit of food before I do this last 20K. We've gone 160K now, and there's 20 left from Santa Rosa home. So the last stretch. I'm tired, I'm not gonna lie. It is now like 8 something at night, and I left at like 3:30 in the morning. Been riding all day, so I'm a little tired, but feel good, feel strong, a little ready for this to be over. But we're down to the last 20K, so easy work. Yeah, it's 11 o'clock at night. 182 kilometers. Long day.